All right, we're going to fly a drone, inspect a roof during an inspection without leaving the ground, and spin around and get positioned to head on up. I don't have to carry a ladder. I can inspect the roof with my drone using 4K video and pictures. I want to look at all of the surfaces of the roof, just as I would if I was up there with a ladder. And I can zoom in to any system or component, flashing detail, or penetration through the roof, or vent, because I'm filming in 4K. And I can even take a look at the neighbors' roofs. And we can see that the tree is in contact with this roof. Needs to be trimmed back. But the shingles themselves, the roof covering materials, looks in good shape. And the flashing and the vents. And if I wanted to get even closer, I could. And check out the gutter to make sure we know that the rear gutter is clogged because of the tree, but the front gutter is clean. And go down either side, fly right across, right above the downspout openings. And so you can perform a roof inspection, get a pilot license. InterNACHI will help you get that license so you can perform drone roof inspections.
And that is a roof inspection from the safety of the ground.